Welcome to Tokyo's beating heart, where energy and modernity collide in a dynamic urban tapestry, where city lights stretch to infinity. Welcome to Shibuya, a vibrant district that pulsates with energy. From its iconic Scramble Crossing to its eclectic fashion boutiques, bustling entertainment hubs, and serene pockets of greenery. Here, you can get lost on a captivating adventure. Before we dive into the top things to do in Shibuya, let's talk about Tokyo itself. As Japan's capital and one of the most exciting cities in the world, Tokyo is a blend of traditional charm and cutting-edge innovation. Right at its core lies Shibuya, a district that captures the city's pulse like no other. Let's start at the center of it all, the iconic Shibuya Crossing, a symphony of movement and elegance that symbolizes Tokyo's urban landscape, often referred to as the Scramble. Shibuya Crossing is an intersection where an incredible sea of humanity converges with precision and grace. With its towering neon billboards, bustling streets, and the constant hum of activity, this crossing embodies the energy of Tokyo. Thousands of individuals crisscross in a dance that defies chaos, giving birth to an awe-inspiring tapestry of urban connectivity. With many vantage points spread around in Shibuya, to witness this spectacle, you can definitely make sure to capture a wonderful view. Whether you just want to people watch, take pictures, grab something to eat or drink, or go shopping, there is something for everyone here at Shibuya Crossing. Shibuya Sky. Nestled right in the heart of Shibuya, a destination that elevates urban exploration to new heights. Shibuya Sky is a pinnacle of modern architecture, offering visitors an unparalleled panoramic view of the bustling Tokyo metropolis. Here you can immerse yourself in the city's dynamic energy from an entirely new perspective. With escalators high above the iconic Shibuya Scramble, an observation deck with the elements of an outdoor park. Here you'll find yourself immersed in a world where the cityscape meets the sky and where you'll have a view of buildings that go as far as the eye can see. Gaze out into the city lights as you become part of the living tapestry of Tokyo. Next we'll head to Miyashita Park, an oasis of creativity and relaxation nestled in the heart of Shibuya's urban jungle. The shopping mall at Miyashita Park is known for its high-end trendy boutiques, fashion stores, restaurants, and other retail outlets. Situated on the rooftop is the park itself. Here you can find a variety of amenities, such as a skateboard park, sports facilities, and a rooftop garden. Miyashita Park also hosts cultural events, art installations, and live performances, adding to its dynamic atmosphere. Come here for an exciting and refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. As the sun sets behind the towering skyscrapers, this district comes alive. Here lies an entire universe of entertainment, where neon signs light up the night, where you can find countless bars and restaurants from fast ramen to fine dining. Walk down Shibuya Yokocho, a lively alleyway filled with izakayas. No matter what type of food you are looking to eat, or what type of bar you are looking to drink at, Shibuya will certainly have you covered. Not only is Shibuya famous for its bars and restaurants, it is also famous for the many nightclubs it has to offer. Here you can party until the morning hours. Some popular clubs here include TK Shibuya, Atom, and Club Camelot. Now we will take a look at the street, Center Gai, a bustling and iconic street that connects to the Shibuya Scramble. With its eclectic mix of shops, restaurants, entertainment venues, and a constant flow of people, Center Gai encapsulates the vibrant essence of Shibuya and has become a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. Whether you're here looking for a karaoke bar, here to see the neon lights and people watch, Center Gai offers a unique and captivating experience. From its array of trendy boutiques and eateries, to its role as a gathering place for both locals and tourists, This is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to experience the pulsating energy of this vibrant city. Here, you definitely won't run out of things to do. In Shibuya, you'll discover a mesmerizing array of department stores, malls, boutiques, and concept shops that cater to every taste and style imaginable. Whether you're in search of high-end luxury brands, unique vintage finds, or the latest in Japanese streetwear, shopping in Shibuya promises a delightful adventure. Here in Shibuya, fashion is huge, and trends get set. And of course, you can't complete your travels without walking through the iconic Shibuya 109, right off of the Scramble, one of Shibuya's many amazing department stores, where you are sure to find some of the hottest trends in fashion. Shibuya is truly dynamic, and these were just some of the many things to do here. For information on other amazing locations, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.